Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change contrast themes in Windows 11. Click on the Windows icon. Select Settings from the menu. Select Personalization from the left side list. Go to Themes. Scroll down and look for Contrast Themes. Look for Contrast Themes option. Click on the drop-down list. Choose the theme that you want from the list: aquatic, desert, dusk, or night sky. Click on Apply to save the changes. Click on Edit to make the changes to your theme. Click on Background. Choose the background color that you want. Click on Done to apply. Click on Text. Choose the text color that you want. Click on Done to apply. Click on Hyperlink. Choose the hyperlink color that you want. Click on Done to apply. Change any other settings that you want. Click on Save As to save theme settings. If you want to disable Contrast Theme, go to Contrast Themes option. Click on the drop-down list. Choose None from the list. Click on Apply. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!